In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime when it keeps hanging up on your iPhone. If you've been experiencing interruptions during your FaceTime calls, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a few key steps to help solve this issue and ensure smoother conversations with your friends and family. First, let's take a look at your signal strength. It's important that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Poor connectivity can often be the root cause of call drops. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router to improve the signal strength. Alternatively, if you're on FaceTime won't operate as it should, a strong signal on your device. Once you've confirmed a good connection, let's move on to restarting FaceTime. Head over to your iPhone settings. Simply head over. Here, you'll want to turn FaceTime off and wait for about 5 seconds before turning it back on. This simple trick can often resolve minor glitches or bugs and help. If you're unsure, you might want to check with them directly or see. Don't worry. Another step to try to contact you. iPhone. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold down the side button until you see the Apple logo. This will refresh your already sign in with your Apple ID persistent FaceTime issue. Another potential solution is updating your iOS software. Often, Apple releases updates that fix bugs and improve performance, which could address your problem. To check if there's an update available, open Settings, then navigate to General and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Finally, if none of these steps have worked for you, it's time to reset your network settings. Be assured this action won't delete any of your data, but it will require you to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have those handy. To reset network settings, tap on Settings, then General, and head to Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there you choose Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. After your phone restarts, try making a FaceTime call again to see if the problem is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix FaceTime call drops on your iPhone, allowing you to once again enjoy uninterrupted video calls.